how I make my protein shake after my 3 to 4 mile run every morning. This is how we do it. Found it on Amazon.com. So I get my almond milk, unsweetened vanilla, sometimes just regular flavor. Pour that in. All right. And then I use Ascent. Found it on Amazon.com. And all I gotta do is take you can get this shaker blender bottle on Amazon.com. They have different colors. Also, you can get Ascent protein powder. It's Whey, so it's not vegan. It is gluten-free. It is the best quality, protein, milk protein that you're gonna get. And this stuff is banging, son. I love the flavor. It's peanut butter, chocolate, but you can also get plain peanut butter or plain chocolate. Protein. It's what's for breakfast.